How to fix WhatsApp status not showing to others on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make sure your status is visible to the people you want. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on My Status to check if your status has actually been uploaded successfully. In the next step, go back and tap the three dots at the top right corner of the main screen and tap on Settings. Following this, tap on Privacy and then tap on Status to double check the visibility setting from here as well. Once done, if the settings look fine, go back to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp icon and tap App Info. From here, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to clear out any corrupted data that may be preventing your status from showing properly. At this stage, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp to check if an update is available and tap Update if one is showing. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device and apply everything. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your WhatsApp status not showing to others on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.